Hi, welcome back to Dataviz. In this video, we will learn about how to create a waterfall chart. As you can see in this graph, this is a waterfall chart, and there are three different things that you can see. There is a starting point, like here, then the end point, and there are different values that is in positive and negative in between this starting and negative points. So we are using waterfall chart when we wanted to show there is some initial values and the last value, and there is something happen in between as a positive and negative. You can take an example when you have some bank balance in the month starting in a particular year. Like in this example, this value is 62,500, and at the end of that year there was balance of 55,000. And in between every month, we can see that there are values that has been added or deducted month on month basis. So this is a very good way of visualizing this data. To create this waterfall chart in Excel, we will first arrange our data like this. The first value should be a start value, and the last value should be end value. And in between, we will put all those values which is increased or decreased. After arranging this data, we will go in our Excel tab, Insert, and there we will find this option, Insert Waterfall Funnel Stock Surface or Radar Chart. Here, the first value is waterfall. After clicking this, we will find a chart like this. But we can see there is some data is showing in a different way, especially this the last value, which is seem to be inverse. To make it in a very the way that we have seen in the previous chart, we will first right click on this or double click on this bar. Then we will go in this particular option, series option, then uncheck this and put this set as total. Now we see this value has been changed. Now again, the first value, the start value should also be in the same format. So we will put it as set as total. So now this visualization is completely showing the right way that we discussed. So here we have the start value and the end value. Both are in total and has a different color. And in between this increase and decrease are of different colors. Now this graph is completely showing that how this start value was at the initial time, then how this value has been added. So this 62,500, then 16,000 is approximately 78 or 79, 78,000 or 79,000. Then addition value happened, then decrease in value, then decrease in value, and like that. So this waterfall is completely showing that how the values has been changing over a period of time. You can use different free formats that is available in Excel. That also helps you to visualize it in a very good manner. That was all for this chart, waterfall chart. Thank you very much for viewing this video. Would request you to subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you very much.